Hello everyone, I am Nahit and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to build wealth from internet. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So if you want to build wealth from internet, the number one thing you can do, that is you can create valuable content and you can post those valuable content on social media like YouTube, like Facebook. Number second thing you can do, that is you can do affiliate marketing. As for example, if you have any YouTube channel, then you can promote other person's product on your YouTube channel and you can earn money from other person by promoting other person's product on your YouTube channel. Number third thing you can do, that is you can sell online courses to the customer through internet. Number fourth thing you can do, that is you can build or you can make apps or software and you can sell those software or those apps on internet. Number fifth thing you can do, that is you can invest your money through internet. As for example, you can invest your money on cryptocurrency or in share market through internet. But remember one thing, building money from internet is not so easy. You should be patient and you have to give time. So that's the end of this video. I will come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.